Hi everyone, this is Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. I designed the rice blossom earrings, but I have to thank Eureka Crystal Beads for sending me the products used to create this tutorial. You can find the affiliate links to these products in the video description. Using the bright and colorful beads from their Hard Candy Light Collection really gives the earrings a summer vibe. But I just want to show you how the pattern looks in this gold and aqua colorway too. Let's take a look at all the individual supplies you need. You are going to need 8 of these 6mm rice pearls, size 15, size 11, and size 8 seed beads, a total of 4 2-hole mini duos, a size 8mm crystal chaton, an ear wire, and I suggest a wire guard. I'm starting off with 3 feet of 6-pound fire line on a size 12 needle. Begin with 1 rice pearl on each side of the mini duo. Bring it down near the end of your thread and leave about a 7-inch tail to attach the ear wire later. Pick up 3 of the size 8 seed beads and come through the open hole on the mini duo with 3 size 8s along the pearl. Pick up 3 more size 8s, come back through the pearl and mini duo. Here I am exiting the mini duo with the thread coming off to the right, picking up 3 size 15 seed beads and coming back through the mini duo, pulling those along the edge of the mini duo, and then repeat that one more time so you have a double layer of size 15 seed beads coming back through your mini duo, and this time you can also go through the pearl. Adding the other 3 size 15s the same way. You'll repeat the process 4 times in total, picking up the pearls with a mini duo between them, bringing it down here next to the first section. 3 more size 8s back through the mini duo. And then pick up 3 more size 8s and needle back through the pearl and mini duo. Exiting the mini duo, pick up 3 more of the 15s, needle back through the mini duo, pulling those along the edge of it, and doing that twice, so 3 more of the 15s, come back through your mini duo, and you can also go through the pearl. Just repeat that process 2 more times. 3 sections done, just 1 more. With all 4 sections complete, you're going to take your working thread and needle into the pearl over here where your tail thread is. Coming through that first pearl, mini duo, and next pearl, and pulling this together. Needle back through the size 8 seed beads, mini duo, and size 8s along the edge of the pearl. Next, add 3 size 8s and come through all the beads on top of the pearls here. Fill in all these empty spaces with 3 of the size 8 seed beads. Filling this last gap, come through 3 of the size 8s past it, plus the next mini duo and 3 more of the seed beads. Next, come back through the pearl that's underneath these 3 seed beads where your thread is exiting. Exiting the pearl, needle through 2 of the 3 seed beads in the first group here. Exit the middle size 15, pick up 4 of your size 11 seed beads, and come through the middle size 15 on the next section. And then repeat that all the way around with 4 size 11s coming through the middle size 15, 4 more 11s through the middle 15, and with 4 more size 11s, needle back through the 15 here. Pull that all tightly together. Next, you're going to retrace this section by only coming through the 11s. skip the 15s and come just through the 4 11s, pulling that tightly together. Again, skipping the 15 and coming just through the 11s, doing that all the way around. After retracing all the 11s, come through 2 15s, and we're going to be working on the other side. So I just push my needle between the purl opening. Now that we're on this side, come through the 2 15s, and the chaton will sit right here in the middle. Repeat the process by picking up the 4 11s and coming through the middle 15. Again, 4 11s through the next middle 15, and you pull all the 11s on top of the chaton. 4 more through the next 15, and the last 4 back through the 15 where you started. Just pull all the 11s up on top of the crystal chaton, and like the other side, we're going to come back through the 11s, pulling tight, skipping the 15 and only going through the 11s, pulling tight. Continue doing that all the way around, and I'll do that for a total of 2 or 3 times, just making sure the chaton is held in tight. After retracing the size 11s a few times, come down through the size 15 seed bead, the needle through your purl, then come down the 3 size 8s before the mini duo plus the mini duo, and then I'll slip a 1/2 hitch knot after the mini duo before the next section of 8s, and then needle through a few more beads past the knot and trim off the thread and attach a needle to the original tail. Here on the back side, you can see that the thread is exiting the purl. Needle through the 3 seed beads on top of the purl plus the super duo. Now needle through 4 of your size 8 seed beads and attach the ear wire. Come down the other side of your ear wire and then needle through the 4 size 8s before the mini duo. Needle through the next mini duo and add a 1/2 hitch knot between the mini duo and the size 8 seed beads. Then I'll just follow my thread path till I'm exiting the next mini duo and add another 1/2 hitch knot after the mini duo and before the seed beads, and finish my thread by coming a few beads past the knot.